All right, today we are going to do a quick review for this SYMA X440 drone. Now this was a drone that was sent to us for an honest review, and it's a really interesting drone. Legs detach, so you can put them on and off, and then the guards and the propellers come off and on really easily. And I think the purpose for that, there's no functional purpose for detaching them. It doesn't make any difference. I think it's just for storage. And if you're gonna do that for the storage, I wish they had also included a bag to put it all in, because there's a bunch of loose stuff. It does come with extra guards, extra props, and everything you need, a screwdriver for putting batteries in the back. It doesn't come with you need 4 or AAA batteries for the remote. So those are the frustrating things. Now the good news is this is a really fun drone. It's relatively easy to use, so this can be a good drone for beginners. It doesn't handle the wind particularly well, but one of the nice things with the altitude hold is you can actually fly it indoors, and it has pretty good control. And so you can fly it around your house, which is actually really fun. For a drone this size to be able to navigate through the house is actually a lot of fun. And because it has the guards and stuff, even if you hit things, it's pretty resilient, which I really like. It will light up, so it has different colors in the center, which will change colors when it's in standby mode. So you can look at the 7 different colors that it will have on the front. And then it has red on the front 2 wings and white on the back 2 wings, so you can set it up so you know which direction it's going, which is really, really handy. I love that. It does a few cool things just with trimming and rotating, and it can do flips. And I could figure all that out in my first day using it. My kids, it took a little bit longer, but they had a lot of fun with it. And this is something that you can use it indoors, or you can take it outdoors to a big area. We live in a super windy city, so in our own yard, it would drift a lot, but in a field or at a park, it's a lot of fun because you can take it up pretty high, and it does a lot of cool things. So if you're looking for a toy drone, obviously there's no camera on this, but the control gives you a lot of control. And so this is great for new drone users, or just someone who wants to have fun with a drone. So pretty cool drone, check it out.